The Scotiabank Women Initiative. 6 months post-launch, we are well on our way to helping women to succeed on their own financial terms.
It's so inspiring that Scotiabank would think to have an initiative directed at women in business. I think it's excellent.
We had a corporate governance workshop and a workshop on privacy, managing customers' private information and making sure that our women business owners know how to manage data.
The timing of the seminar was really timely for me and my business because we're preparing to raise venture capital funding.
Yes, it's being done at a high level, but the delivery of it is clear, concise, and so I'm leaving here actually with a lot of ideas.
We are committed to diversity and inclusion, helping women to find their financial footing and in the long run, help them to succeed on their own financial terms.